Hello all, welcome to this channel. Here myself Mohammed Nadeem, and today I will be sharing that why the websites are important for your specific business. Okay, so as we know very well that in digital marketing term, most of the people like preparing the websites and all, or might be nowadays a lot many businesses are moving forward and they are getting the websites done from us. So guys, here in this particular video I will be sharing the knowledge regarding the website designing and development, why it is important and how many types of websites the people can use for grow those businesses, and how the website exactly the ranking on Google. Due to that, a lot many people will comes to your particular website and they can find your profile, what exactly you are the person are selling your product and services. So guys, please stay tuned with us, and here I'll be showing my computer screen to you, so we can go ahead and we can see the screen here right now. So guys, this is our computer screen, and now I'll be going to tell you that what is website exactly. So might be majority of the people are aware nowadays like what website exactly, and what purposes the people are going to create the website, and what will happen if you don't have the website nowadays, if your business is there online, or might be if you are like doing any kind of business. So website is the profile of your business where you can showcase your product and services on Google, or might be on any of the platform or any of the search engine. Okay, so guys, here you can like show your product or services, or you can mention any of the information in that particular website, and people may can search as per the keywords and all. Like suppose example, you have the good brand in market relate to any beauty product, or might be you have any good brand for clothing. So most of the people may search good clothing shop nearby me. So like that the keyword it is, as per the basis of the keyword the people are getting the search results on Google, and even your website also will be there. So people might be can comes to your website, they can see what exactly the clothing and all you are providing to your customer, and how is the price it is, and what exactly the detail you have mentioned in that. So as per your particular like the statement, or as per your particular knowledge of the product and services, people might become interested into your program, or might be into your product and services, and they can like get your product, or they can call you. So that particular person will become the lead, and you are the person who have to convert that lead into customer. Okay, so after that guys, how many types of websites are there in market? So there are the three types of website we can prepare. The first is static website, second is dynamic website, and third is e-commerce website. So guys, here I will be elaborating the three websites over here. Here it is the example we have the Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital has prepared the static website. Here the Apollo Hospital website, it's located, they are showing here the neurology or the other stuff like the oncology and cardiology and all everything guys. So if you are just clicking over there, so it's maybe redirecting you to this kind of pages in a single page. Okay, so this is how the static website is prepared, and this is the dynamic website guys. So Honda is also get prepared the dynamic website. Here we'll be showing you how the dynamic website exactly looks like, and which kind of the product and services the people may put over here in the dynamic website. So guys, here Honda has prepared this kind of website. They are showing this kind of like the cars, and they can like if we are clicking here in a single click, so it's redirecting to the different page, which looks amazing here. So this is how the dynamic websites get prepared guys. If you are like see here the Internshala page also, so here you can find the internships in multiple cities. Here the Hyderabad city it is, and you are finding the multiple internships over here, and you can even find from here this particular option also, where you all the internships are looking for the students. And guys, here are the internships and all. So people may can search, or people might be can come to this kind of dynamic websites also, but people are not aware which exactly the website it is. After that guys, this is called the e-commerce website. Here the Snapdeal is a big platform we have which is like having the good e-commerce website, and apart from that, here you can search anything, so you may be getting the results So guys, from here you can buy any of the product and services. Even Amazon is a very big name in the field of e-commerce. So this is how the e-commerce websites, guys, this the big brands has prepared, and they can sell any of the product and services from here. This is a Flipkart website, and the Flipkart is also the selling the all the product and services. So you people can buy any of the product from this kind of websites, guys. Here the home furnishing, and here the living room items and all you can buy, and this is how the people will place the amount over here, and you will get to know like what exactly the price of this particular item. So guys, here might be you wanted to generate any of the good business name, or might be guys you have a business, or might be you don't have any website. So guys, this is how the Shopify business brand name search manager over here. You have business name generator. So from here, as per your particular field, you can find any of the business name while just putting the keyword over there in the search box. So guys, here I am putting the real estate keyword. So you will be getting a lot many results over here related to particular real estate brands. So guys, here you can choose any of the name. You can search the domain from multiple platforms. Now I'll be going to show you where you can search the domains. So here guys, this is a GoDaddy where you can find the domains, and you can even search any name over here for your specific website. Okay, so here the Core Ilm Digitals are brand name, our domain name. This one has already taken by me. So guys, here it is showing you the taken. So our company has already occupied that particular domain. If you're searching any of the name like digitalmarketing.in something, so this kind of domains also has gone. And here whatever the domains are available, it's showing you in the downward. So you can go ahead and you can search any of the domain and you can buy. Okay, so here also you can like search the hostings and all. I will be showing you, or might be I will be telling you that what exactly the hosting and all, and this is the emails and all you can buy. And this is the second option, we can buy the domain and hosting. So this is the HostGator, guys. Even HostGator are also providing the good hosting and domain. You even can search here the domain name which will be available as per your specific business. So here again I'm searching the Core Ilm Digital. So here also it's showing guys the coreilm.com is unavailable. Why? Because we have already taken that. So you can search like that only as per your specific business. And here from a Bluehost you can buy the hosting, and even other sources also we may let you know. And here guys, 70% off on hostings with the free domain. Here it's HostGator showing you, but might be in reality something else will be there. These people won't even like give the 70% off to anybody, but they can like earn a huge amount of money from yours, the good amount of money. Here we have the multiple categories of domains, .in, .com and all like that something. Here our domain is already taken, so these platforms will show you which all the domains has already gone. So you can search like that. You can visit to any of the page like the Big Rock also, and you can search any of the domain name over here. It will show you that whether that domain is available or not. Here it is guys, the .com, .net, .in, .online, .live, .store, club and tech and biz. So these kind of domains you people can buy as per the amount categorized. So you can go for the any of the domain which best suits to your business profile. Okay, so here also I'm searching coreilm.in. So here it will show the availability of particular coreilm.in. Why? Because I didn't buy the in.com. Okay, so I have bought the .com. So like in near future we'll be purchasing the .in also. So like here the next platform we have calling the big2rock.com. Here you can go and buy the domain and hosting from this particular platform also, which is providing the good services all over the India. So guys, after that here the website we have Whois is the best platform where you can search the information about your specific domain and hosting. From where did you bought your domain and hosting, you can search over here the complete history about your particular domain and hosting here, and the hosting server names also it may show you. So this is how guys the entire things work and how to prepare the website and all. I will be telling you in the next video. So till then, have a great day and thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.